bro. This lighting. Okay. My storage is like really full, so if it ends and the sun's in my eyes. But anyways, I'm gonna be talking about my dog. How she died. My dog, Charlotte. I can't sound like this. So let's get started. So that morning, it was like the summer, so I would wake up like at noon. And it was June 7th. I remember the exact date, and I remember my brother saying, "Oh my God, Hannah, Charlotte's acting sick." I said, she's just tired. You know, she was a puppy and she grew. So we had her maybe 10 days, but I had that bond. My neighbors are loud. So anyways, I fed her. She wasn't eating food. I tried to give her sandwich meat. I tried to give her dog food. I tried to give her anything. And she ate a chicken bone. So I was like, she's fine, she's fine, she's fine. She's fine, she'll be alright. She was drinking water. These people are not supposed to be on the road. They're freaking numbers. She was drinking water, so it was like parvo was out of it. We had another dog, so if there was any diseases, our other dog did not get her shots. She would have got, our dog, Diva, would have died too. And Diva was acting normal, you know. I remember I kept Diva outside just for that purpose. I kept her away from Charlotte. I wish I didn't, but I did. And then, sorry, people are like walking. And then, I remember like, I made a TikTok. I said, she's sick. We're just gonna let her rest. I let her sleep. And my grandma was like, take her out to the bathroom. She probably needs to go outside. Well, I put her outside. It was like she couldn't move. So I was like, she doesn't need to. When I walked, I know it's gonna sound gross, when I walked inside, she started pooping everywhere. Which, everyone poops when they die. Everything and everyone, besides like plants. But some people don't, but most animals do. They poop when they die. And I was like, crying bad. And she died at 9:20 something, 9:30, around that time. I know it was the 9. Like right as my papa went to bed. All I know. All I know is I spend the time that I could. I wish I would spend more time with her, but I didn't, and that's what sucks. I spent most of my day with her. I would like sing Dancing in the Sky with her. A lot of our animals have died, so I have saw my dogs die, but I think this was the worst because it's like stuck in my brain, like me laying on the ground with her and then her just looking at you. It's like she knows she's going to die. It's like that like you could tell that she was scared. I could tell. So I remember just, singing Dancing in the Sky with her. And I went live on Facebook. And then right as I end the live, I said, "I love you, Charlotte," and I was petting her stuff. Finished singing it to her. Because it was a 3-hour song, back and forth of Dancing in the Sky. It was only on for like an hour at that time because I keep on replaying it all day. She was in my bedroom on a puppy pad. I remember that she did. And I was like, oh my gosh, she's like about to she's about to start like breathing good. She's good. So I run in there, get some water. I come back. She's gone, and it was the worst feeling because it's like there's no way you can take that out of your mind because we paid a lot of money for her. She was probably sick while we got her. That's why you don't buy dogs from someone that doesn't have papers or shots or anything. But she had so much other siblings, and then Diva. Watching Diva look for Charlotte was the worst. I didn't post for a while because Diva was wanting that dog. She wanted Charlotte like really bad. And at that point I was like, I can't do nothing. The next morning we did bury her. So I was probably, it took me a while more than any other of my dogs to get over it because she was always with me, and a lot of people got to see her, and a lot of people left her at the store. We would take her and stuff, and then I know like that weekend we went to Walmart. People said, "Where's the dog?" It was just like people could ask like all the time, but you're like, you don't want to talk about it, you know, because there was no way we could save her. Because I talked to one of my family members. She had friends that were a vet, and they said they could bring her in, but they said it was probably too late since she was already pretty much gone, I guess you could say. But I wish I didn't worry about my phone. I wish I would have did less TikToks. I wish I would have not spent time with Diva. I wish I would have did a lot of things. I still have her collar, piece of her hair, everything, I guess you could say. I have her favorite toys, all her toys that she had. I have an outfit that I put her in that was for babies, not for dogs. I have everything, but I remember the couple days before, it was like, we went to my cousin's house because we got some stuff for her baby. We went to her house and dropped it off, but I remember picking up the tub. It was like Charlotte pooped on it. So I was like, why did she poop on it? She never poops like that. So I think she got sick a couple days, but I wish I would have spent more time. It is what it is. That's why I think I don't have a bond with Precious, because I could care less about Precious. If someone picked up Precious from the street, I could care less. I don't like that dog because we got her too soon. June 7th, Charlotte died. June 27th, no, June 28th, I got her. So I think I got a new dog too soon, but I don't really like Precious because she's not Charlotte, so. I still take care of Precious, but I don't like her. Because I don't like her because I want Charlotte, so. And then one day I went swimming with one of I used to be friends with her, but now I'm not because she's annoying. She told these boys that she was playing basketball with that my dog died, and then when I got in there and I was like saying, come on, let's go somewhere else in the pool, and she was like, and then they started making fun of my dog. Bro, I beat them up. Like, I was so mad because they can't do that. That's rude. But she died she didn't die in the cage. When she died, I put her in the cage outside, but I still have the puppy pad no, I buried it with her. I buried the puppy pad that she died on because it was gross. I don't like. I don't like thinking about it because I miss her. She's on my brat gown, and it's like there's that happy puppy. She loved the cars, so. But someone just texted me and someone just added me on Snap, so I have to go. But I'm gonna upload this soon.